Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on this Nissan Altima. What we're going to change, this tail lamp right here. You can see it's cracked right here, so you can see that. So we're going to go ahead and replace it, and we need to open the trunk. So get your trunk open. We're going to need to get to this side right here, and we're gonna need to pull some of these off. These are some clips, and it looked like it missing something here, like a cover or something. So we're gonna just do that. You can fold this down. So actually I just fold this down, and I realized that I don't need to take out this clip. And guys, it's gonna be the same thing for each side. You can just fold this down a little bit where you can work. When you're done, you put it back. So left or right, it doesn't really matter. So just fix it back when you finish. Just fix it properly. Alright, so we're on this side. We're gonna fold this down a little bit like this. We're gonna have two 10mm right here. Also, we're gonna have a plug right here that we need to unplug. So we gotta squeeze this right here. Squeeze this, pull up on it, and you can see this right here. That's what we squeeze and pull. This we can just push it through, but wait till we take out the light first, and then we push it through, because you can push it through, it doesn't matter, but because I'm using my one hand, I just gotta wait. So I'm just gonna use basic tools. So 10mm and a ratchet handle. You can use a wrench or a deep socket. Alright, so take one screw off. We're going to take the other one off. Just like that. And then we're going to hold it right here, pull it to the back of the car. Make sure nothing else ain't holding it. So we're going to pull towards the rear of the car. So that's what we're working on. So we're going to hold this like this and try to get some grip somewhere and rock it. Pull it to the rear of the car. If not, we're gonna have to use like a plastic trim, put it in there. So I'm gonna try it this way first. So it's not coming out. So it's giving me some problems. So I'm gonna get this right here, a plastic trim tool. This won't scratch your paint. Put it between here. Alright, so now we get it out like that. So now what we're going to do is push through the rubber. So push through the rubber grommet. Tail lamp is out. Oh, let's do it one time for the thumbnail. How we're going to set. Alright, so this is it. Let's bring down the trunk so we can see what kind of Altima it is. So guys, if your Altima look like this, it's gonna be the same procedure. It's no matter what year it is. I think this is from 2019 and up, but it's the same procedure once it look like this, right? So one time for the thumbnail, get this out the way. Alright, so for the thumbnail. So guys, yeah, if your Altima look like this and that. So after you reach this far in the video, guys, what you want to do is subscribe to the channel as well, like, comment, share. And then my camera has started to fall and I have to catch it, so that's why you see my face right now. So guys, we have our tail lamp right here. All we're gonna do, we're just gonna slide this in here. we're gonna go on the other side, hold it on the grommet. Don't pull the wires, hold the grommet right here like this and pull it through to make sure it's seated properly, because if you don't seat it properly, it will leak. So pull it through. Alright, so you can see we have a nice tight seal, so that won't leak. We have studs right here, studs right there, and we have 2 holes right there, one gray, one brown. That's where you hold, that's what's gonna hold the light to. And as well as we have this right here, this hook. We're gonna hook into this clip right there. So we have to make sure we have everything lined up. You don't want nothing out of place. Along with your screw holes over here. Alright, so looking good so far. We want to come inside, make sure it's properly sealed, and also plug it in. Get here, before you do anything else, we want to test the light, make sure the lights work. So let's do that. I switched the signal to the other side, but yeah, you can see we have this, the turn signal work. So the turn signal work, the brake light works, so we're gonna finish put it up. So we're just gonna finish put it up, make sure everything flush. And then we gotta come back on this side right here, get our 10mm. And guys, we want to snug these up, right? Snug them up, do not over tighten them. Alright, so that's snugged up. This we just gotta put it back neatly, and you know, just peel this up like this a little bit and let it sit between there, so you get the concept. So this is gonna be the end of our video. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.